My name is Jack Thomas, and I'm a Marketing and Leadership and Ministry double major from Little Rock, Arkansas, and I'm graduating this semester. During my time at Harding, I've been blessed with a lot of different opportunities. Definitely the highlight would be my time on the baseball team. We've shared a lot together and gone through a lot together, and I'm tremendously blessed by the experience there. I knew growing up that I wanted to play college baseball. Was introduced to the coaches here and had the chance to come see campus, and knew that this was a place that I wanted to be. And definitely thankful for my time here at Harding. So the Bison Buddies program was started by the football team. In 2016, as an initiative of the Student Athlete Advisory Committee, we expanded the program. Today we have over 120 student athletes visiting 6 different schools within White County to promote the value of education and to provide positive role models for students here in the elementary classrooms here in White County. That's been one of my favorite things during my time at Harding. If I could offer a piece of encouragement, it would be to just keep showing up. If you just keep showing up, good things happen. God promises that to us in Scripture. In Galatians 6, he says, "Don't grow weary in doing what's good, for at just the right time we'll reap a harvest of blessing if we don't give up."